Okay, so here we have a 2004 Land Rover Discovery 2 with a no start condition. When the key is inserted and turned to the run position, you get the flashing M&S lights, low oil pressure light, low battery light, and the hill descent control failure light, along with the temperature warning light. When the key is turned, there's that. When the vehicle is shifted into drive, you get the flashing drive light and the D flashing on the dashboard. Well, we have no idea what is going wrong with this vehicle. So, when it is fixed, a comment will be posted in case somebody else has a problem like this.